Kyle Sams.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Are you a student at the University of Rhode Island?
Yes, I am a junior.
Yeah. What are you studying?
Political science and philosophy.
Political
Double.
science. What are you going to do with that?
Not sure. That's why I also do philosophy.
Okay, you're charged with operating left of center. What do you want to tell me about this?
There was a crash, I believe, in the lane, and when I pulled up behind the cop car, I didn't know what to do. There were cars behind me. I looked in the parallel lane, noticed it was empty, so I thought the rational thing to do would be to go around. But then a police officer saw me, and I stared back at him, so naturally I slowed down, and he says, "I'm going to give you a ticket." I was a little confused because I saw 3 other cars do the same thing as I was waiting for him to give me the ticket.
Was there an accident with your vehicle?
No.
If there was no accident involved, and if you were able to get back in your lane safely, I'm going to dismiss it.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to check with you in a couple of years, see what you finally decided to do.
That would be nice. I was here a few months back, and apparently my interaction got on TikTok and created quite a stir. It was something to see.
I remember you from the State House. I was a page at the time, and you had come to make a speech there.
Now, do you remember anything that either one of us said that day?
Yes, you had spoken about rediscovering these lost values. You had mentioned how your father got up every morning to go to work, and his wife would be there every morning before him to make breakfast.
You get up at 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, about hard work ethic. And I still remember that to that day. It must have been a couple of years ago, but it was a very good speech.
You know, Inspector Carrigan, if anyone can remember one thing that you say, if you make any kind of presentation, then you've had a successful speech. I can't tell you, I've heard thousands of speeches in my lifetime. I rarely remember something that anyone says after it's over. Rarely do I do that. But when I do, it's usually something personal like that.
That's why I remembered it.
Yeah, it was on a personal basis. Well, you did a good job of buttering me up, so...
Oh, well, thank you.
All right. This is going to be dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
You obviously have been before the court twice now, so
Yes.
give me, and you're studying political science, and you're studying theory, and you're
Yes.
studying how people interact, and a lot of it's psychology, really. So give us your impression of the court proceedings here.
I think there's a very human, sentimental touch in every interaction that you have with these people here, so I do appreciate that part.
He articulates it better than I do. Thank you. That's very nice.
Thank you very much, sir.
Let me tell you the difference. It's very simple. I could take the position that this is what the law says, and that's it. But we're not dealing with criminal offenses here for the most part.
Right.
And for the most part, people who come to this court, it's the first and only time that they will be before a court in their lifetime.
Right.
And many times there were youngsters in the courtroom, there were young people. So what happens here, for the most part, will frame people's thoughts and feelings toward the judiciary in general.
Okay.
So the question is, number one, it's very easy, for me anyway, it's very easy to be understanding when people have an issue.
Right.
So I take into consideration the individual's personal situation. For example, if a mother comes in, she's got 5 parking tickets, and she has 6 kids, and she's a single mom, I think I should know that, and I don't think that I can be as harsh with that situation as I would in others. So I take their personal situation, into consideration. I mean, it's that simple. It's just trying to be understanding,
Of course.
and having some compassion.
Well,
for people.
now you gave me some thought into maybe law after graduation, so thank you.
I just pushed you into law, huh?
I've been thinking about it for a little while now, so thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.